We are always looking for contractors who are worth celebrating, and today we meet Aaron Smith. Aaron is a landscaper and a gardener who is fostering connection and sustainability in the heart of Detroit. He also has a tool library that gives his neighbors access to landscaping and power tools, and he manages a vibrant garden that hosts farmers markets and community gatherings.
My name is Aaron Smith, and I am founder and executive director of Motor City Grounds Crew. This is the East Warren Tool Library. And look, you can just leverage all of these tools, any of these tools and equipment to do home improvements, to share the love and go out and maybe help the elderly neighbor. We'll even deliver the tools to your project in the various neighborhoods in the city. So that's the love of Detroit that we have here at Grounds Crew.
Okay, appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're going to turn Detroit around, despite what others think. We're not going to have that negative stigma that was attached when folks would come from all over the world. And so there's just been this push and this sense of pride among us as Detroiters that, hey, we're turning this city around, and I'm proud to be a part of that. The Grounds Crew brands have been all about maintaining the change and known as curb appeal specialists. So what does that property look like when you drive by? How does that curb look? Is it appealing? And that's what it's all about. Let's start with the outdoor space that makes the individuals who live or work or pass through feel better. It becomes a safer places of passage for children to go to and from school. And so those are some of the driving forces of what we're all about and why we do what we do. My partner, Annie Hakeem, and I are co-owners of Featherstone Garden. So next year, I want to make sure we have a collard green patch.
Oh, for sure. Aaron and I have always aspired just to build beautiful spaces that are productive in the city.
These just flourished this year. I'm a guy who likes raw veggies, and I just love to eat it raw.
So when it's ripe, this is how adorable they are.
Mm-hmm. 100 years ago, my mother's, both her grandparents had come to Detroit, had gardens, fruits, vegetables, and just exploring those places as a kid just great to me. I loved it. I happened to get involved in doing some cleanup of the city of Detroit, where I met John George of Blightbusters, and we hit it off swell.
I think we both have that same gene where we can see past the dust, or turning blight to beauty, like the mayor likes to say.
The mayor coined the phrase, an initiative all about blight to beauty. We're all part of that. Look at these cool seats.
Well, this is all from the mayor. This is all from the mayor, yep.
I mean, John is an energetic guy. He is something else. So we had an opportunity that came about to kick off a program within the nonprofit that brought in a cohort of returning citizens, being those that were incarcerated and now out. And so, drawing from some of my military background, I thought that, oh yeah, we can do this, John. We're gonna put this together, and we can just have a roundtable, not just of what's the technical aspect of things, but let's teach them the soft skills. Let's teach them how to engage with others and go from there. And so that became a success. I would say particularly to young people, that while you may either consider yourself not college material, or you may say that I don't want to go to college, but a skilled trade can be a very valuable, lifelong, rewarding experience, because that trade that you pick up, no one else can take away from you that skill. So I say bravo to those who choose to go into skilled trades, or who consider it as an alternative path. I wanted to continue to show the way, and here's a place that we can make better throughout the city of Detroit, no matter where we live, or where we find home, or where we find our workplace. I do it for love. Love. One word. Love.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.